Opportunities like this don't come around every day. Here in the heart of English Harbour is this fantastic 0.92 plot with panoramic views of Falmouth Harbour. Away in a residential area just off the main road, this area is a perfect spot for development, whether it's a few luxury homes, a boutique apartment community, or a project approved under the Citizenship by Investment Programme. The potential here is huge. With demand for quality rentals and resale properties at an all-time high, this is a developer's dream. Build, sell or rent and maximise returns.